Good morning, parents and students. So, those who are qualified in Sainik School entrance, so yesterday onwards, those are getting the messages. Complete your choice filling. Okay. So, those who are completed home state student medical and who is not completed medical other state students, everyone you have to do this process. So, how you can do complete this process? Don't worry and hurry also because you have the time till 28 March, means weekdays time you have that. So how you can do the process, now I am explaining. So enter the Sainik School entrance, means that is the e-counseling website. So now enter the student details, username and password. So after completing the student username and password, so now enter the instructions. So how to complete your choice filling instructions. So once open the instructions, read carefully what is given in the instructions. So up to till last year you have the choice filling options. You can change every round, but this year if you once completing the choice filling, there is no choice to every round changes. So that's why be careful. So how you can choose the choice filling means, once check the seat matrix, means so category wise, and especially Telangana student, check the other state vacancies as per category wise. So now, so I am showing old Sainik schools. Okay, so now if you are interested which school is priority 1, 2, 3 till 33 schools, you can give the prioritization. So and again as well as you can give the prioritization for new Sainik schools also. So after completing prioritization, so after completing the prioritization of schools, you have the time to change. So till 28 March edit option is there. Okay, but after completing the time, there is no choice to change the school prioritization. That's why check once the schools what you are interested and distance and everything, check once. Okay, after that give the prioritization one by one. Okay, there is no hurry, you have the time. So after completing giving the school prioritization, you choice the log the choices. So now again if you are once log the choices, don't worry, you have the edit option also. So do carefully.